I have recently spent some time in the real world at a real job working as a coder over the summer. Normally I study computer science at university, but spending some time as a professional coder and not just doing it for fun has opened my eyes to what it's really like out there. In this video I will provide you with a field report and answer the question, should you get a coding job? Big Tech is cutting back jobs and not accepting new hires. Amazon recently let 9,000 people go. Meta laid off 10,000 and Microsoft let 5% of their workforce go. Tough times have hit the big corporations, but I wouldn't let that put you off. In my experience, demand for coders is still high despite this. I've come across multiple companies struggling to find talented coders, and I myself receive regular offers for work, despite not even having graduated yet. The company I'm currently working for found me, I didn't have to find them. Salary is always hard to say because it depends. From what I've seen, coding pays well, especially if you acquire some rare skills that are also in demand. But common skills such as Python or web development could also get you far. Depending on your personality and preferences, there are many different jobs you can choose. Coding is the perfect career for forming your own path out of your own interests. For example, I've been spending a lot of time working with user interfaces, in university, in my free time and at work. If you're anything like me, front-end development might be for you. If you're more analytical than I am, you would probably prefer to work on the back end, such as with databases or Linux. That would be the equivalent of being in the back of a McDonald's. What makes a good coder? In my personal opinion, I would say 4 things. First, patience. Writing code takes time. You won't often see results straight away. Also, for most projects, you'll spend many hours reading documentation. Sometimes the tasks are very boring. 2, good working memory. It will help you as you jump between multiple files, functions, and documentation. 3, good communication. Despite mostly working alone, you'll have many conversations each day about difficult problems. Good social skills help massively. 4, problem solving. As a coder, you'll solve problems all day, every day. If you don't like doing that, coding is not for you, and I would recommend picking a different career. These 4 things are more important than knowing any specific language. When I started working as a C++ developer, I had never written a line of C++ before, but because I thrive when solving problems, I got along with it and enjoyed the learning process. Working as a coder is the best job I've had so far. Granted, I've only worked as a cleaner and a security guard before. Getting a coding job opened my eyes to what a good job is. The tasks are more fun and it pays better. On the flip side, there are some things that I don't like about being a coder. For example, sitting down all day has resulted in back, neck and shoulder pains I've never quite experienced before. This is something to be aware of if you're not used to sitting down all day. Exercising, stretching and having a good chair helps. Many projects are boring. Don't believe the hype. As a coder, you'll rarely develop new, exciting, consumer-facing software from scratch, because most coding work involves maintaining and updating old software, sometimes poorly written and often using outdated tools. If you've decided to go for it and become a coder, here are some things I wish I knew before I got started. If you're approaching a new programming language, get a proper book or course. Personally, I like coding with Mosh. If you're generally interested in becoming a professional coder, put some time into learning problem solving. It will make everything easier for you. If you've been employed as a coder, ask for proper equipment such as a chair and a good keyboard. You'll spend all day at your desk, so make it nice. That concludes this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and watch this video to learn about 72 software development concepts you should know.